Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a signature in Outlook to make your emails look more professional and consistent. Whether we want to include our name, contact details, or a logo, setting up a signature is quick and easy. In the Microsoft Outlook dashboard, all we need to do is go to the settings in the upper right corner. We can see a gear button there. We just need to click on that. Once we are here, we need to click on our account, and we will see the Signatures option. Just click on Signatures. Here, we can add a signature, for example, our name. We can use the Edit Signature option to customize it. We can set it as the default for new messages, or set it as the default for replies and forwards. We can also enable both options if we prefer. Once we are done, we just need to click Save. That is how we add a signature in Outlook in just a few simple steps. Now, every email we send will automatically include our personalized signature.